Hello everyone! Let me introduce myself first. My name is Afifa Julianda Putri from class 12 Accounting 1. In this video, I will see and react to several posters or sentences that have a mistake when using English. Okay, so let's get started and happy watching! Okay, the first here is a notification sentence which is toilet ini jangan dipakai, airnya sedang tidak ada. And they translate it into English like this: this toilet do not use, his water is not, thanks. Okay, here there are several mistakes. That is the use of the sentence this toilet do not use, which is a prohibition sentence. Therefore, this sentence should be at the beginning. And if we fix it, it will become don't use this toilet. And then the second sentence, which reads his water is not. In this sentence, here is a mistake in using personal or noun pronouns. That is the word his, which refers to man, while the pronoun that must be used for objects is its. In the second sentence, if it is interpreted, it will be airnya tidak. Here, it is not clear what the meaning of the sentence is. Therefore, the use of the sentence that should be in this notification is don't use this toilet. The water is not available now. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to the second picture. Here is the common sentence found at the airport bus stop. That is mohon antri, which they translate into entry please. There are things that are confusing here. Whether we are told to enter or wait first, because the translation of entry please itself is silahkan masuk, while the translation of the Indonesian sentence here is mohon antri. But because usually if you want to take the bus, we have to queue first. Therefore, I will correct the translation of the sentence. So the imperative sentence that we should use is please queue here if in British English and please line up here if using American English. Okay, next, there is a prohibition or common sentence here, which is harap turun dari kendaraan, with the translation don't ride a motorbike in the gang. Wah, this sentence is a little confusing because the Indonesian and English translation have different meanings. Even so, the goal is the same, that is not to ride a vehicle in an alley. But here, there is a mistake in the use of the word gang. In the English translation, Indonesian, an alley is a small street that is usually used for people walking, while in English, gang is a group of criminals. So, if interpreted, it will be jangan mengendarai motor di dalam geng. How? Sounds weird, doesn't it? Therefore, the use of the correct prohibition sentence is please get off the vehicle, or it could be don't ride a motorcycle in the alley. Okay, next, there is a notice board which is emergency exit, with the Indonesian translation that is pintu kecemasan. Wait, I think this is the translation not into Indonesian, but into Malaysian, which means pintu darurat. And if you look at it at first glance, it might not be too obvious where the arrow lies. But if you pay more attention, the sentence has a writing mistake that can change the meaning of the sentence itself. That is in the word exist, where the word exist itself means ada. So, if translated into Indonesian, it would be darurat ada or ada darurat. Therefore, the correct sentence is emergency exit, or can be interpreted as pintu keluar darurat. Okay, here is the last picture. That is a notice sentence on a banner in the dining area. That is, maaf, sementara hanya melayani take away. Okay, I have seen this banner before on Twitter when the COVID-19 virus just appeared. Because of PPKM or the implementation of restriction on community activities. This place to it finally used a system of buying food and then bringing it home. or in another sense, the food cannot be eaten on the spot. However, it seems that the person who wrote the banner has not looked for the correct use of the word take away, so he wrote it with the word take away. Also, they sound the same, but of course, the two have different meaning. Or rather, the word take away that he wrote has no meaning at all. Therefore, the correct sentence is maaf, sementara hanya melayani take away. Okay, before I end this video, I want to conclude that there are still many people out there who don't pay attention to the use of good and correct English. And also many people who don't know that learning English is something we must do right now, so that we don't leave behind and able to compete with other developed countries. Okay, that's all I can say. I hope this video can be useful for all of us. Thank you for watching and goodbye.